friends, in the video today I am going to attempt to keto-fy a popular holiday finger food. The recipe we're going to be attempting to keto-fy is sausage balls. And there are lots of different variations of this recipe online. The main ones that I saw had Bisquick as one of the main ingredients, and there was a variation that I thought looked really good, which was cream cheese sausage balls. So I'm going to attempt to do a keto version of cream cheese sausage balls. Instead of Bisquick, because of course Bisquick is not keto, I am going to be attempting to use my protein breading mix. It's carnivore friendly, it's keto friendly, it's basically all protein with a little bit of fat from the pork rind crumbs. The main ingredients in there are pork rind crumbs, egg white powder, and beef gelatin powder, and it's perfect for all kinds of different breadings, and I think it might be a good binder in these sausage balls. Now, with Bisquick being the main ingredient in the original version, I feel like these are almost like sausage biscuits. I don't think I'm going to get exactly that effect with the protein breading, but I think it'll be like a cheesy sausage, almost meatball, and we'll just have to see. This is an experiment. We'll see if it works out. The original recipes that I've seen call for 1 pound of sausage and 3 cups of Bisquick. In my mind, I'm thinking that's too much of the protein breading. So my first attempt is going to be just using 1 cup of the protein breading. And then the other ingredients in the recipe are going to be some cheese, shredded cheddar cheese, and of course some cream cheese. So you can see all of the ingredients here are carnivore friendly. So it'd be a great addition to any carnivore Christmas dinners, maybe like part of a Christmas breakfast. It'd be amazing. A big thank you to Element for sponsoring today's video. Element is an electrolyte supplement. I use it every day. They have lots of different options as far as flavorings. There's even a raw, unflavored version for anyone that wants to stay away from stevia or the other flavorings. But the ones that are flavored are only sweetened with stevia, and they don't have any added junk, weird flavors or colors. Basically all the good stuff without any of the junk. And I love that they are doubling down on the hot flavors, because there's lots of like refreshing summertime flavors, fruity flavors, which I really do enjoy all year round. But it's nice this time of year to get the chocolate flavors that are great in hot drinks. I love putting them in tea and in hot chocolate. This is the chocolate caramel flavor, and I love the chocolate caramel flavor in my hot chocolate. Usually it just takes half a packet in I have a dairy-free hot chocolate mix, and I will put half a stick of the chocolate caramel element or any of the other chocolate flavors in there, and it just makes it so good. It not only adds the extra flavor, but it adds that little kick of saltiness as well, which is phenomenal in hot chocolate. Right now, Element is having a deal for any of my viewers. If you use my link, the one here on the screen or down in the description, drinkelement.com/indigo, drinklmnt.com/indigo. Use that link and you will get a free sample pack with your order. The sample pack looks like this, and it contains all of their regular flavors, like a sample stick of each one, so you can try them out. Or this time of year, these are great for stocking stuffers. Thanks so much to Element for sponsoring, and now back to the video. First thing I'm going to do is soften my cream cheese. In these recipes that use cream cheese, oftentimes they'll want it to be room temperature, and you have to remember to pull it out ahead of time and let it sit on the counter. I don't usually remember to do that. And but it's really easy to just stick the cream cheese in the microwave for 30 seconds, stir, maybe another 10 or 15 seconds, and that softens the cream cheese right up. So I am going to just go stick this in the microwave until it's nice and pliable. All right, that's looking pretty good. It only took about 20 seconds. I also preheated my oven to 400 degrees. I am gonna try some of these in the air fryer as well, so I have a couple of options. So cream cheese is ready. You don't want the cream cheese to be hot, you just want it to be soft. This totally looks like it should tear open, but it does not. So sad. This package is 2 pounds, but I am only going to use 1, and that leaves me a 2nd pound to use if I need to do another batch, if this doesn't turn out perfectly on the first try. So I'm going to throw that sausage in there. Now I'm going to do 1.5 cups of shredded cheese. This is just medium, but I'm imagining sharp would be really good as well. to add even more flavor. 1.5 cups there. And then I am going to try 1 cup of the protein breading, and I will try to list out the individual ingredients just in case you don't have the protein breading mixed up, so you can still make these with the 3 individual ingredients. The pork rind crumbs have salt, the sausage obviously has seasonings in there, and then the cheeses are salty as well. So I'm not adding any more seasoning at this point, but we will see how it turns out. All right, now I'm gonna get my hands dirty and mix this all up and then start forming little balls. I'm thinking like 1.5 to 2 inches around. We shall see how it goes. I think I'm actually going to add another 1/2 cup of the protein breading in here. Just seems like it could use a little bit more. There they are, all ready to go into the oven and the air fryer. I'm gonna do 400 degrees on both oven and air fryer. The air fryer one should take less time, though. We will see. I will let you know how long it takes on both. I am lining my pan with parchment paper just for easy cleanup. And I don't expect these to spread like cookies, so I can put them pretty close together, I think. Oven is preheated. That is perfect timing. All right, we'll just do the 9 in the oven and 8 in the air fryer. Going in at 400 degrees. All right, just gonna put these in, being careful not to crowd them too much. Right, oops, not plugged in. Gonna go to Classic Cook, which has the air fry setting. We're gonna go up to 400 and I'll keep it at 15 minutes, but I will be watching it. These have been going for 10 minutes and they are already done. I checked the temperature with my quick read thermometer and they were already up to 160. So I'm going to call this good. 10 minutes at 400 degrees. I did want to mention though that I do not have a preheat on this air fryer. And so if you do have a preheat, start checking it a little bit before the 10 minutes because that preheat time will start cooking it a little bit faster. I'm still waiting for the oven ones to finish, but I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. I let them cool in here just for, I don't know, 5 or so minutes. And now I'm just taking them out and plating them. I'll try to get one side air fryer ones, one side oven ones. Oh my gosh, they look so good and they look so crispy. I'm gonna call these good. They cooked at 400 for 20 minutes. They're definitely not as crispy as the air fryer, but I think they are done enough. So I'm gonna let them cool here for just a few minutes and then I will plate them up and we will do a taste test. The bottoms of these got nice and crispy. That looks really good. All right, here they are. You can see the difference in color, air fryer, oven, but they all look really good. I am going to try the air fryer ones first because they've been cooling for longer. Oh my gosh, they look amazing. Okay, we'll do a quick rip here. Ooh, the cheese is still a little bit stretchy. Yum. Oh my gosh. Mmm. Wow. That's really good. The outside is nice and crispy. It's super cheesy. It's very, very good. Okay, this is a winner. I could absolutely see doing this for either a holiday potluck or a Christmas breakfast or brunch. Perfect, perfect. So good. So good. All right, these oven ones are still pretty warm. I'm gonna go ahead and rip it open, and I think that'll help it cool off faster. Yum. All right, I'm gonna risk burning my mouth here. Okay, these ones are softer and a little bit more moist inside, just because of cooking them in the oven instead of in the air fryer. Both options are really good. So if you want a little bit more crispy, do the air fryer. If you want more of like a softer mouthfeel, do them in the oven, but they're both a winner. No adjustments needed. That's like a one and done. Like that never happens. These are absolutely amazing. And I do want to try some variations. I saw, because I was searching Pinterest just for, you know, sausage ball recipes. I saw like jalapeno pepper jack. It'd be almost like a jalapeno popper sausage ball if you did the cream cheese version. So good. Let me know if you guys try these and what you think. Hopefully it'll give just another option for a keto carnivore friendly holiday. I love it when we can come up with fun recipes that are absolutely delicious, but also that don't knock us off our, you know, regular plan. Thanks so much for hanging out in the kitchen with me today, and I will see you again in the next video.